Let's talk about it. So this stock has me super duper excited. If you guys have never heard of it, it's going to be called Figma. So I've been building a lot of websites for companies and stuff like that too, just on the back end side. But here we went ahead and got into some Figma shares. I went ahead and gave it out in my WAP today. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the Academy here. You guys can catch all my trades inside of the Academy. You just go ahead, subscribe straight into the WAP. And then after you subscribe, you're going to go ahead and get access into all of my trades here. Okay, so here, let you guys know that I'm buying Figma shares at this low. Went and also won a TP earlier off of IWM. So yeah, Figma here, it's extremely crazy. This AI stock here is really taking over when it comes to generating ads, making websites, etc. And it's just getting really popular. It's really awesome, and it's also used for making apps too. So here, let's go and let's talk about the setup. So I'm gonna get on my super high time frame here. I'm gonna get on my 3-month, and we're gonna go ahead and just mark all of this out from start to finish here. So I noticed here on my 3-month, right now at current price, we're currently at $25 a share at the time of this video. I can easily see us going up, of course, to this resistance candle here, this resistance candle here, and then of course we're gonna have all-time highs. Market initial public offering, IPO'd, which means it opened at 100. Let me see here. On my 4-hour. Let me zoom out. Looks like the stock opened even higher up here on the 4-hour. Looks like the stock actually opened down here at 85, and then we went ahead and just pumped up to 149 right afterward before falling in a downwards direction. Then afterward, we went ahead and caught this floor here. So we went ahead and floored down at this green level here. We went ahead and floored down at this 16.77 level. So this one was really easy, really clean. Price decided to just mirror off of these two areas of support twice. Really obvious, really clean here. Price then decided to come up and mirror over this left side structure here. So this is what really let me know that price decided to be bullish, because I saw this bounce here to the left, this bounce here to the left. Yes, we did invalidate price here, all fine, because once we got back above it up here, we went ahead and bounced cleanly off of it once again. So that let me know that the staircase potentially did want to start. So we got the staircase here, here, and it looks like we're getting another bounce here. Okay, we got another bounce here at this red dotted line due to the fact that we have this support candle here on the 4-hour. Okay, so just extremely easy. Once I saw multiple bullish staircases being put in, went ahead and put down this black line here. So this black line, even if I do pull it down here, I'm going to have these two areas of resistances, which I really do like. I have this tiny area of support here. So price already bounced from the red line. So now I think we're going to go ahead and get a price from this golden line here. We might need to get some break and retest, which is meaning we're going to be waiting for an area of resistance to be broken and turn into support. So I think that's going to go ahead and happen here now that we are above this. And I can go ahead and just zoom in here. So check this zone out here too. I really do like this zone right here due to the fact that these two candles decided to show me heavy support. So I think once we come down into this zone here, with these areas of resistances here, let me go ahead and put this here. But for these areas of resistances here in this golden box, so it's just this one here, this area of support that stopped here, and then this area of resistance here. I really can see us just coming down right here, and just into this whole zone, giving some nice price action, and turning this area of selling into buying here in the future. So yeah, I'm really excited about this. Just gonna be waiting for some bullish price action off the gold zone. But yeah, I can go ahead and notice here that we are just bullish. So I'm gonna get on my daily here, just to go ahead and clean it up. So off the daily here, we're gonna go ahead and have this bottom daily wick too. We do have this one here. Price could potentially come down to here if it wanted to. This could also potentially be a level. Definitely finish off at this little area here potentially. So yeah, I think market just wants to bump down into one of these areas. I also really do like how this area of support curled in here, how this area of support curled in here. I like this wick off of the zone right here. So this right here, this zone here, very high probability. And then we have this area of support here. Extremely, extremely, extremely high probability to just burst in upwards direction. Okay, I just want you guys to be safe. I want you guys to just be simple. And I like to just catch my swing trades like this. So this is going to be just the ultimate V. Went down, boom. So we're going to fill in the W here. But of course, before that, it's not going to move in a straight line. It's going to be more like this. Boom, 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 boom. So yeah, so then once price gets above it, you know, this area of support here could potentially be one right here. Or, you know, even maybe this one down here. This one down here could definitely be one in the future. So yeah, we're going to have this area of support here, this area of support here. Okay, it's extremely easy. I'm just going to wait for price to get above these areas, give me rejection bounces off of support zones below current price, and then I'm just going to go ahead and ride it back up. That's all I'm going to do. Okay, don't make it hard. I see a lot of you guys that just make trading difficult for no reason at all. Please do not make what's supposed to be pretty easy hard. Okay, just be patient. Your patience is really what's going to get you paid in this game. Okay, just make sure you're waiting on your quality key setups. Don't be rushing anything, and don't be taking ghetto setups as well too. Okay, because when you guys start taking ghetto setups, when you guys start rushing, that's definitely where you lose money. You know, I know that's really the only times I've really lost big money in the past. Was if I was rushing. Okay, just rushing, trying to just get a trade off, and make sure you guys are also looking at your higher time frame structure here too. Because on the 4 hour here, you know, it might look like up here wants to be TP immediately, but then you get on the weekly, see everything from a bird's eye view, and you could see that we at least need to head over to the 32 area of resistance up here. Okay, so yeah, it's going to be waiting for price to go ahead and give us a whole curl here. We're going to be buying every pullback, and I'm just really, really excited. Okay, I just love trading like this. I love just buying the pullbacks, and I love just farming stocks up to all-time highs. You know what I'm saying? You guys can do this for multiple different stocks. You guys can just choose a couple of stocks, farm it up to all-time highs, and just keep growing your account, and just have a big giant account. So, you know, Figma is really going to be the stock I'm going to be focusing on. I really do think this stock has a lot of potential. We've also beaten earnings every single time too. So check this out. You know, revenue just being beat, being shattered. Revenue just being shattered every single time, because the program is just getting really, really popular. So yeah, that's what really does excite me about this. And yeah, that's going to be Figma. If you guys want to see what I think about other stocks and my analysis on those, you guys can head over to StackMODE.net. Love you guys so much. Stay prayerful to God. Keep grinding. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.